हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अरुण मारू, एडिशनल प्रोफेसर एंड लेक्चरर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस. टुडे वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट द another topic of class 12 political science, Rajasthan board. The topic is justice. We have discussed about the in this particular topic in our previous class for class 12 political science, Rajasthan board. And in this particular class, we have discussed about the justice theory of Plato. And now today we have discussed about the Aristotle theory of justice. Who is the Aristotle? Who is the Aristotle? Aristotle was the father of political science. Aristotle was the father of political science. Number one. Number two, he was written a book. The book name is Politics. Clear? Today we are discuss about the another theory of justice. Justice is your class 12 political science chapter number 1. It is the chapter number 1. Clear? And we have discussed about the justice theory of Plato. Plato was the teacher of Aristotle, and today we have discussed about the student of Plato, Aristotle. Aristotle was the father of or founder of political science in all over the world. He is also founder of the ancient political science. His book name is Politics. His book name is Politics. Clear? Now we have discussed about the justice theory of Aristotle. According to the justice divided in according to the Aristotle, justice divided in two types, two parts. Number one is specific justice. Number one is specific justice, and number two is distributive justice. Number two is distributive justice. What is the meaning of specific justice? What is the meaning of specific justice? So now we have discussed about the specific justice and distributive justice. So we have discussed about the one by one. Number one is specific justice. Specific justice basically connected to the special people of the society. These special peoples basically connected to the elite groups, means they are more powerful persons and more rich persons. More powerful and rich persons is called to more rich persons and powerful persons is called to specific justice. Specific justice. Clear? According to the Aristotle, the justice is given only to special peoples, and these peoples connected to the elite group. Elite group basically connected to the more rich and powerful person of the country and society. For example, officers, businessmen, and etc. Number one is specific justice. Number second is number second is number second is distributive justice. Number second is distributive justice. Distributive justice. Distributive justice meaning dividation of the justice. Dividation of the justice. This policy basically emphasizes on the two types of justice, subtypes of justice. Number one, rich people justice, and number second is poor people justice. Aristotle emphasizes on distributive justice belong to the post condition of the society, and uh, political condition in the society a person, social condition in society a person, educational qualification, etc. So Aristotle basically emphasize on the what is the condition, what is the condition in the society a person, and the condition connected to the distributive justice. Okay, so according to the Aristotle, justice not connected to the justice not connected to the simply given to the simply not given to the civilians or common men. These types of justice basically given only elite groups, officers, rich peoples, intelligent persons, and philosopher, and family of king and his family, and bureaucrats. But this type of justice not given to the common man, according to the Aristotle, not given the common pupils. It is very bad thinking, critical thinking, because in the democratic states, the rule of law emphasize on the equality of the law and given the justice and law without any partiality. But according to the Aristotle, he emphasized on the distributive justice and specific justice. These two types of justice basically belong to the justice theory of Aristotle. And these theories basically completely emphasize on specific justice for the only rich peoples. Commonly, you see that Aristotle emphasize and focus on Aristotle emphasize and focus on focus on Aristotle emphasize and focus on only rich peoples of the society. He ignored the poor people of the society. He ignored poor people of the society. It is very bad thinking for the political system and political theory. But according to the Aristotle, he emphasized on the distributive and specific justice. Okay, student. So now we end this particular video, and you subscribe this channel for the new videos, and you like and share this particular video, and any query and any question you write in comment box. Okay, thank you.